kissing emoji. Okay guys, let's see what we need. We need here is a 24 color pencil here, and a permanent marker pen here, and a sharpener here in case. And we need a lid here, and we need a A4 paper here. Let's go for the drawing. Okay guys, now take your lid, put it like this. Put a circle here until up, so you can have the space to draw your heart. Okay guys, so now we're having a nice here. Now let's go for a heart shape. Take here, go like this. So you're gonna have your heart here. Next, go like your eyes is twinkling. We are done with our eyes right here. Now let's go for the mouth. You're going to draw an upside down tree right here. So now we have got our easy kissing emoji here. So guys, now let's go for drawing. Different colors of diamonds, and we can add a love here, love emoji, and every emoji, and stars. So you see, like Olivia did right here, she add like many kind of emojis like this. It's very nice to do all of these, like these patterns. You can do this too. You can do any face you want. I like yours, but I cannot do that. Guys, I hope this video is very useful for you.